As a woman, you should know how to pound beans with your hands for moi moi. If not, are you even ready for marriage? Said nobody that actually loves women. Say hello to my multifunction blender M1 Lite by Itel. So I have one for me and one for my mini-me, or maybe for crayfish. Listen, ever since becoming a mom, I've realized one thing. Time is my most valuable currency. Now let me be honest with you. I don't even like cooking like that. I do it when I have to, but if there's an easier way, best believe I'm actually taking it. People think you need one big, complicated kitchen appliance or processor for things like this, but as you just saw, my NG Blender M1 Lite did all the work. Quick, easy, and nice. I have enough on my plate already, and spending all my time in the kitchen is not exactly part of my plan. That's why I'm all about working smarter, not harder. Small luxuries like this blender help me free up time for things I actually enjoy. So order yours now at itelvip.com or get it at Itel Home for a worry-free purchase.
Itel, enjoy better life.